We are going to go grocery shopping. So first off, I am so tired from my leg day. It's like 2, 3. I think it's almost 3. I'm literally wearing a watch and I'm guessing. So it is 3:30 right now. I need to go grocery shopping in a few. I said something. I said maturing as a woman is realizing that you need to put effort into your looks whenever you're going out. You're going to the gym, you're going grocery shopping, you're doing whatever runs you have to do. As you get older, you realize that you need to put more effort into how you look. My mother's voice is ringing in my head. So let me tell you something. My mother, she's in her late 50s, okay? My mother wears more makeup than I do. More makeup in terms of she takes the less is more real serious. Like my mother loves to look good. But when I say she wears more makeup than I do, she wears the regular powder, lip gloss, lipstick, eyeliner, some mascara, just her brows, just the basic stuff. But when I do makeup, I do the full glam. You know how we do it, girls. I do the full thing. I go the whole 9 yards when I'm doing my own makeup. But my mother loves to look good. She's going to the market, she's looking good. She's sitting at home, my mom is looking good. She's expecting a visitor, my mom is looking good. She's going to her friend's house that they've been friends for donkey years. My mother still looks good. Even sometimes I'm here, I'll just call her, say, oh, mommy, I'm going out, just have 1 or 2 errands. She'll be like, rub some powder now. I'm like, oh my God, okay. My mother's voice is in my head. Apply something on your face, don't just go out like that. So I'm like, okay, fine. Most times I go out like, my mom was put some lip gloss, put some mascara, make an effort. You don't want to go out there and then somebody catch you. You look like you just rolled out of bed. So, in the voice of my mother, look good all the time. So this is one of those times. Like I said, as my mom does, it doesn't take that much to switch up your looks. Besides, the thing of less is more is real. Less truly is more, but it depends on how you do it. So right now, I'm not gonna do a lot. It's gonna look like I did a lot. I'm gonna show you. Let's get ready. If you don't know how to do makeup that much, just stick to the basics and you'll be good. Literally stick to the basics. I cannot get over how my mom looks good all the time. She just sticks to the basics. I cannot believe that's the thing with shooting with your back camera. You won't even know when it goes off. Can you imagine? So you didn't miss much. Like I said, we are going to make an effort to look good or to look even better. We already made an effort, but we're gonna look even better. So I was applying my powder. I said the first thing is just get a good powder. Okay, just get your good powder and apply that to your face and your neck. Okay, make sure that the powder is your shade. Okay, I'm going to get my blush and I will be using, usually I actually like using an orange blush, but I am going to use red blush because red blush looks good too. And I'm using powder products for this look. And I just, right here, see, I use the blush just to add some color. But this one is extra because my mom doesn't do this one. It's extra. We're modernizing it. Then make sure that we really buff that in. Okay, now you see blush added. Then I will go back with the brush I used to apply the powder. Tap tap tap. And then just sweep it across my under eye. Sweep it across. Okay? Touch the corners of your nose. That's it. Then I just get a regular brush, the brush I use every day, or I can use. Okay, that's the brush I use every day, but I can use. I have the same. I will use this one and just dust up the excess powder from my brows. If you want to draw your brows, that's totally up to you. But I am not. I'm not doing anything on my brows today. I think, yeah, because I'm just going grocery shopping. Just dust up the excess powder. I have my eyeliner. I will draw my eyeliner on my under eye. It's easier. Just allow me. I'm just going to draw underneath here. You see that? Just under. That's it. Less is more. We're doing just under. If you want, you can draw for your top lid, but I'm not gonna do that today. The next thing I will do is I will go and this my fixing. That's why it's good to have two of everything. So I'm going to go in with my spray. Settings. Okay, before I go to my settings, I would apply some highlighter. Just a little bit of highlighter. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Then I will go in with my mascara. I actually didn't plan to do this today, though. Yeah. Other eye, bottom lashes, get in there because we've already used powder. The dust, we already used powder, so we might not really see our lashes, so we have to use a mascara to bring it out. You see, just this little makeup and see what we have. Now that we have that, I am going to set what I've done right now with my setting spray. This is the one I wanted to use originally. This looks good. Yeah. I think this one's finished. Hey, Chineke. Life is. You lie. Thank God I have discovered that this one has finished. Really finish up. I'll go in with this. This is what I really wanted. Yes, I got my mother a fixing spray, so she knows about fixing spray. Next up, the lips. You see, we finished the other one, so just do the lips. This way now. Let us know that. So for my lips, I don't want to do something that screams, we did something. Just something neutral. It's coming together. I didn't do brows, I didn't do eyeshadow. Then I have some lipstick. Okay. This is a matte lipstick. Yeah. You just seal it with a lip gloss and you're good. See that? Perfect. Pretty tricky, however, you want. And that's it. Yes, there's more. So let me go get ready. I mean, I am ready. You just go grab my bag and I'll be it. Yeah, I'll see ya.